You read the title and you might be thinking, how the heck can you work less but make more? It's not possible, but it is. You can spend less time writing cold emails or messages and still close a lot more deals. So in this video, I'll share exactly how you can do that today and start working less and earning more. Now you might have guessed it, to spend less time and get more money, we'll need to leverage something. And of course, we're going to use none other than the good old AI. You see, we humans aren't optimized for sales. Over time, our efficiency drops, which is not the case for AI. AI always generates the same results, no matter if it's day or night. As long as you pay for the credits, it's good to go. That's why we'll leverage the strength of AI together with our own creativity to reply and engage with people, increasing our online presence, decreasing reply times, and work or thinking it takes to write an email. Of course, if you try to use ChatGPT itself, you won't save much time. You'll need to think of prompts, copy-paste the replies. Sometimes it's a lot more work than writing manually. That's why we'll use an app called Reply.io that helps you generate replies on Gmail, Outlook, Twitter, and LinkedIn right in the platform itself, automating personalized messages or replies in any tone you'd like. This app has a lot of use cases and can truly save you hours. So without further ado, let's begin with the tutorial. Reply.io can automate a couple of things: Twitter interactions and replies, LinkedIn connection requests or messages, Gmail or Outlook replies. So let's start off with Twitter. To automate Twitter, simply click the Reply.io logo on Twitter and you'll be redirected to the automation page. Here you can adjust everything. Select how often it should run, what type of content it should search, keywords it should target, number of tweets it should interact with. You can also name the campaign and select the action. If you instruct the app to leave comments on posts, then you'll be able to adjust other settings such as emojis, language, length, and tone. Here you'll also see the number of credits you have left. Once that's done, you can start the campaign. In the running tab, you'll see all currently running campaigns, and in the history tab, you'll see all previously ran campaigns. You can also use Reply.io extension manually inside Twitter. Whenever you want to reply to a post, you'll see a little tab appear at the bottom. You can use it to generate a reply. It allows you to add custom instructions, change the language and tone. Second is the LinkedIn automation. Like I said, you can use Reply.io to automatically send connection requests or messages to your network. And here's how you can do all of that. To send out custom connection requests, go to Search tab and click on the Reply.io button. Here you can select which people you'd like to connect with. Once you do that, you'll be able to create the connection request message with two custom variables, first and last name. Or you can automate sending the connection requests without a message like this. The same goes for sending messages to your existing connections. Go to your network tab, click on the Reply.io button and build your campaign. You can add campaign name, give AI the instructions, adjust the tone and length of the message, add sender and company name. With that done, you can start automatically sending out messages. Lastly, the feature you all been waiting for, automated reply generation. This works similarly for both Gmail and Outlook. Simply open the email you'd like to reply to and select the style of your reply. You can match the sender's energy, reply that you're not interested, or the opposite. You can also generate a more specific reply by opening the Reply.io tab and giving exact instructions. Of course, these replies won't work great if you're doing cold email outreach or need to share specific information to your warm leads. That's because Reply.io doesn't have any information about your company. That's why I suggest you take a look at this video where I showcase how to generate email replies in seconds that are relevant to your prospect and are personalized based on your company's information. Remember, the faster you reply to your prospects, the higher chance you have to close the deal. That's it for today's video. Subscribe and like if you found this useful. Peace!